Good morning all, this is Kurt from Broken Finger Gaming once again. I'm going to try something here. I have something on Discord here that actually just popped up, and this is something to do with, does anybody really know of a video or a tutorial on how to change the default layer? I'm trying to change the grass, but it never changes. So anyways, I'm going to try to see if I can help this guy. All right, here we go. So as you can see right here, I've got, I'm not going to do this one. I do have another map build. It's called Sniper's Ridge, actually, that I'm working on right now. But let's do this. I'm going to open it without any add-ons or mods or anything like that. And let's go to Arma Reforger profile. Nope, logs. There we go. So I got all cats attacking my old cat here, so that's getting kind of messy. Anyways, as you can see, this is a new Sniper's Ridge that I'm actually working on right now. So hopefully I can get this going. Oh boy, the screen is locked up again. This is nice. This is the invisible wall that everybody keeps on running into. If you do a modification on any terrain or any kind of map at all, it will it brings you back to default, which is not a problem. It's an easy fix. All right, so moving on here. Okay, as you can see here, we have a lot of colors and terrains that we can actually use. So if I go up to the top and go to where the mountains are, and you hit there on the top right, paint. And of course, if I select all these and hit shift, you just got to drag them all in there. Okay, there you go. All right, so that gives you one little lesson there on how to actually get your paint in there. It's really quick. Let's do cobblestone. All right, so double clicks. Okay, that's fine. Now we're going to actually open up to paint. I'm going to go to reactive. And let's see if I can get this to work. Actually, there's a little bit of a thing here. You want to use it. There you go. There we go. So this will pop up here too if you just install these. Just hit OK. All right. It'll allow you to start doing what you need to do. Okay. So like I said, I was doing a little test here. So say you got a ton of paints, right? In there. Let's open this up a little bit bigger. Right, and forest clearing, grass, pebbles, more pebbles. See how it kind of blocks off right there? These are little blocks, right? So now I've actually exceeded my limit. Okay, so not everybody knows this. Rock. Okay, so I've actually exceeded my limit again. And I'm going to go to seabed. All right. There you go. So you can see right there, I've actually created a big kerfuffle of mess. So if I go up to the right here and I click on default, and if I go fill service with and clear others, so hit fill services and clear others. Yes. There you go. Okay. It sets it back to default. All right. Hopefully this can help somebody out on Discord there. Anyways, yeah, enjoy. Happy Sunday, guys. Cheers.